In this video, I'm going to show you how to shape text in Affinity. Now, the first thing you can do, of course, is if you just have like two words or a few words and you would like to make a completely custom shape and kind of make this and make it yourself, what you can do is just select this text layer here, and then you want to go to Pixel up top. So here you want to go ahead and then click on the very top left, which is the Move tool, and then this arrow down, and you want to click on the Mesh Warp tool. Now what this will do is it will allow you to basically stretch this out however you want it to be, and that way you'll be able to basically shape your text. So as you can see, right now I'm currently shaping my text, and you can do pretty much whatever you want with it, and you can basically adjust it according to your own preferences. Now that's one way, and whenever you're done, press enter, and then there we go, you now have your shaped text. That's one way to shape it, but if you'd like to fit it into a specific shape, you could also do this the following way. Go to Vector, top left, and then you want to just create a shape. So I'm just going to go ahead and create, I don't know, let's actually do a double star over here. I'm going to create a big double star like this, and I'm going to actually move it in the center. There we go. Okay, then what you have to do is down here at the bottom left, you want to go inside this tool, which is the Frame Text tool. So hold this down, click Frame Text tool, and then as you can see right now, it's showing kind of a square, but if I go inside, it's going to kind of change this, and what you have to do is just click on in here, and it's going to automatically create a shape text, and then you can just start typing something. So over here, I'm just going to continuously paste in the title of this video like this, and as you can see, it's filling in the text. Now this doesn't look the best right now, and that is because it's not aligned properly. So what you have to do is Ctrl and A this, and if it's looking very weird like this or something, you can go ahead and adjust the size of the text. So for example, I'm going to put it onto 12 right now, and then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to align it to center. Now already this is going to start to look a bit better, as you can see here, and what you can also do is click on this I button here, which will reveal the text that basically got left out. As you can see, there's a bunch of text. You can then delete that or just adapt it. So if there's any out here, you could go ahead and click on this icon. So as you can see, there's like this circle here. You have to click on this and basically drag it out like that until it fits. Okay, it now fits. That's perfect. And let's say that's now how you want it to be, but you want it to be a bit smaller. Now, if you were to just go ahead and do that, it's going to pop out. However, if you hold this circle at the very bottom right here, it's going to adapt pretty much everything. Okay, so the size is going to be changed together with the size of the text, and you've basically successfully put text into some shapes over here inside Affinity. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.